In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Steam games as an administrator. First thing you need to do, if you've not done so already, is open your Steam client, go to the library tab and look for a game you want to have as administrator. I've not got a lot installed at the moment, so I'm very limited. I'm just going to go with Tour Up to Seeds of Evil. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click Properties with this new menu opened up. And here's another one. I'm going to look on the left hand side for installed files and click that. Now, more on the right, look for Browse and click Browse. Wait till it loads. Now, what you need to do now is look for the exe file application here. This is the type of file you're going to have to look for. And as you can see, it is the file to load the game. So I'm going to right click again. I'm going to go down to Properties and click that. Now, we are going to, there's quite a few tabs. We're going to go to Opens in General, but we're going to go to Compatibility and we're going to click it. Now we're going to scroll down to this section here and look for Run this program as an administrator. As you can see, the checkbox, it's unticked, so we're going to tick it. Now we're going to go down to the bottom of the menu and click Apply. Then we're left with one OK to click. And you can close this window as well. And this. The recommendation is also to close Steam and reload it again. I need to exit Steam. And once it reloads, you should be able to run the game as an administrator. If you found this video helpful, I'd be grateful if you could leave a like and subscribe, and maybe turn the notification bell on if you want to be updated when new videos are live here on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. See you in the next video.